You can find our airbag system in different forms, as an entirely independent vest, a jacket lining, or totally integrated to the jacket. Are you wondering if your airbag will have enough place to inflate under your favourite jacket? How does it work with suits? Can you wear a backpack? I'm going to tell you everything. Let's go. The InnerMotion airbag system must be worn under a certified motorcycle jacket so that it can be protected from any sort of abrasion and ensure you a better protection. For any use under the rain, you can wear the system, but only if it's under a waterproof jacket. The electronic part of the system can never come into contact with water. Now, let's choose your size. Our airbag system has been made with elastic fabrics, so it can be adjusted to all types of morphologies. It must be worn close to your body, and this is why we recommend that you choose your usual size. The best thing to do is try it out. To ensure a good protection, it's essential that the airbag cushion can inflate correctly. Most jackets have comfort zones and have integrated elastic fabric, which means that the airbag can inflate outwards. To make sure your jacket is compatible with the InnerMotion airbag, here's a quick 3-step protocol. Step 1. Measuring your jacket. Put your jacket down on a flat surface. Stretch it out, measure the width of the jacket under the armpits, measure the width under the belly button, add these two measurements together. Step 2. Measuring your body. Measure around your chest, just above your pecs. Measure around your waist, at the height of your belly button. Add the two together and divide them by 2. Write down the result. Third and last step, a small maths exercise. Calculate the difference between your body's measurements and your jacket's. If the result is superior or equal to 13, it's all good. Let's now talk about suits. Warning, the use of the InnerMotion airbag system under a full-length suit or a jacket zipping to trousers is possible only with suits that have been tested and approved by InnerMotion. Indeed, we cannot guarantee the proper inflation of the airbag. The cushion risks being damaged or creating pressure points for the user. To know whether or not your suit is compatible, you can consult the list of approved suits on our website in the Moto tab. Know that our partner brands regularly develop new suits and that the list of compatible gear is constantly getting longer. And because a demo is more meaningful than a long speech, here are a few examples of how the vest inflates under jackets and suits. Now let's talk about backpacks. The InnerMotion airbag system is compatible with backpacks, with the respect of a few conditions. The total weight of the backpack can't exceed 8 kilos. Make sure you don't use the chest and abdomen straps. When pulling forward on the arm straps of the bag, there needs to be 10 centimeters in between the strap and the top of your shoulders. If you have any questions whatsoever, contact the InnerMotion team. Follow us on social media and see you soon.